Hello students, hopefully you all have given the good exams and from today onwards we will start the second semester class 8 standard energy. This chapter is present in the second semester and light is also there that I will just start after this chapter. So before starting this chapter, this energy, we have a clear concept about the forces and displacement. Okay, we all know that force is what whenever we will give some amount of push to a body or will pull the body towards us, then definitely we have to apply a quantity which is known as force. This is a clear definition, we all know that one. When a body is kept in a particular position, then definitely gravity acts in the downward direction, and due to that reason each and every instant of time that body which is kept in a particular place will be acted upon by a force which is known as the gravitational force. We all know that one. Displacement is what? It is the shortest path between any two points in a particular direction. So whenever these two quantities will combine together, we will just calculate, we will be able to calculate the work or the energy. In between work and energy there is a certain difference. If you talk about, before starting this chapter we will just try to explain this one, what is work and what is energy. Suppose if you talk about the work and energy, these are very you can tell these two quantities are very much similar to each other, but one difference is there, that one is a scalar quantity, both are the scalar quantity, sorry. One can be zero, one cannot be zero. You will just read this one in this chapter afterward, why one can be zero, why another cannot be zero, so that I will also tell you. Now we are starting with this one, that work. Okay, what is actually work? If you just apply force on a body, and if the body will displace by a certain amount, then definitely work is to be done, or you can tell that we have done some amount of work on the body. So two things are very much required to explain the work. One is called the force, and second one is the displacement. Okay, so these two things are required. Without giving these two things, you won't be able to do the work in a particular direction. Work should be done. Now work itself is a scalar quantity. Always just keep remember this one. Work has no direction, so that's why work is always known as a scalar quantity. Now if you start with this one, this work, so the mathematical expression which is present in physics, that work is denoted by capital W, and which is equal to force into displacement. You can write down D also, you can write down S also, both are same thing. One is force and one is displacement. Now thing is that you can easily understand that any one of these two quantities, force and displacement, if any one of these two quantities is zero, suppose, then work will also be zero. Now thing is that most of the cases will calculate the displacement. Okay, if the displacement is coming to be zero, then definitely the total work or the total amount of work done is actually zero. Now one more important thing I will just try to explain to you, that while you are talking about the forces and the displacement, then whose displacement and whose force will calculate. Some one example I am just giving you, that suppose you are just standing in a particular place, you are not moving forward, not going backward, you have just pushed a body or pushed a person in a forward direction. Okay, now who has done the work? The person to whom you have given the force, or the person who has just got the displacement, or you have just done the work? Now thing is that I just told you that whenever the displacement is zero, definitely you can understand the total quantity work will be zero. But while you are talking about the situation, what I told, that when I have just pushed the body, push a person in a forward direction, then definitely I have not displaced from any particular direction. I am still here. The boy has just actually just moved in a forward direction, but that boy has not itself has given any type of force. I have given the force. So situation is that force who has given? I have given. Displacement who has got? The boy has got. The question is that then who has done the work? Are you understanding? Now, while you are talking about the work, then you have to think that who has applied the force. Here, I have only applied the force, so definitely I have done the work, not the boy has done the work. Now, if you will tell that I have not got any type of displacement, then how could I be able to just get the work? Definitely. Thing is that displacement, how much displacement I will be able to give to the boy, that will be calculated. Clear? So when this situation, you just keep always in your mind, this is the concept of work. Okay, you are still in a place, you have not moved, doesn't matter, you have given the force. Now definitely the whole consideration according to you will come, that how much work you have done or not. That is the thing. Now this is the thing, this is the work. Now work is always denoted by force into displacement, so this is the quantity. Now in higher classes you will read that one, that it is not actually force into displacement. Force into displacement, then one more term will come, that I will just simply telling you, no need to remember that one. This is cos theta, one term will come, this theta is the angle. So these all things you will read in the higher classes. And whenever the force will be applied, or the displacement will be applied, or the force and displacement both are perpendicular to each other, that means if this direction, suppose this way, this is the direction of force you have just given, and if the body will move in a perpendicular direction, okay, then definitely the displacement and the force will make a 90-degree angle. That means they are perpendicular to each other. In this particular situation, the work will always be zero. Why it will be zero? Because one term I have written, that one, that cos theta, and theta means the angle between force and the displacement, and as it is 90-degree, and we all know that in higher classes you will read that one, don't worry, that cos 90-degree is equal to 0. So that's why the total work done will be 0 in that particular situation. Okay, now the three types of work is present in nature. One is called the positive work, one is called the negative work, and one is called the zero work. So one by one I will explain that one. First one is the positive work. So while you talk about the positive work, means what? If the, just try to remember that if the force application and the displacement are in a same direction, that means suppose a body is kept here, okay, having some amount of mass m, you have given some amount of force F, you have applied the force in this direction, you can easily see this arrow is just denoting that one. So the body, if the body will go in this direction, okay, then you will definitely get one displacement which is along the force, okay, along the direction of force. If this type of situation will come, then you have to write that definitely I have done a positive type of work. When the displacement of the body will be taken place along the direction of the force, then the positive work will be done. Next one is a negative work, which is just the opposite of that one. If the direction of force and the displacement taken are opposite to each other, that is called the negative type of force. Example I will tell you. Negative work. Suppose you are talking about the frictional force. So while you will talk about the frictional type of forces, suppose a body is kept in a particular place, okay, having mass m amount, you have given the force in this direction, okay, just the body is about to move in this direction, so definitely the body will get the displacement along in this direction, but the frictional force is acting along opposite to that displacement. So the frictional force is opposite and the displacement is also just, displacement and frictional force both are opposite, so definitely you will get a negative type of work. Okay, zero work I will tell you in the next video, so just try to understand that one.